بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. How are you everybody? This is Mr. Ahmed Nafsar. Welcome back to English News. Today, inshallah, we are talking about the past perfect and the past perfect continuous. Let's start. What happened first? We use the past perfect to answer this question. What happened first? The past perfect consists of had plus past participle. He had given concerts all over the world. Had he left before I arrived? He hadn't left before I arrived. The past perfect is used to tell about an action that took place before another in the past. An action that took place before another in the past. حدث وقع قبل حدث آخر في الماضي. I had arrived at the airport before the departure time. I had arrived first. After I had arrived at the airport, the plane took off. I had arrived first. Look carefully at these two pictures. When Kevin arrived to school, the class had already started. The class had already started. Time conjunctions. A lot of time conjunctions can be used with the past perfect. في روابط كتير جدا أقدر أستخدمها مع زمن الماضي التام. Keep in mind the question, what happened first? We can use after, as soon as, because, since, hardly when, scarcely when, no sooner than. They all are followed by past perfects and then past simple. Until is followed also by past perfect and preceded by past simple negative. Until بيجي قبلها دايما ماضي بسيط منفي في معظم الجمل. Before, by the time, and when. They are followed by past simple and then past perfect. Let's have some examples. When he turned on the TV, the program had already started. What happened first? The program had already started first. And then he turned it on the TV. After he had finished his homework, he slept. He had finished his homework first and then he slept. As soon as he had finished his homework, he went to the gym. As soon as he had finished his homework, he went to the gym. The first action is finishing the homework. When Paul got home, he realized he had left the door open. He had left the door open and then he got home. After my son had gone to bed, I watched a movie. My son had gone first. The past perfect continuous. The past perfect continuous consists of had, been, plus verb plus ing. He had been studying before his dad arrived. He had been studying before his dad arrived. Had he been studying before his dad arrived? He hadn't been working before his dad arrived. The usage of the past perfect continuous. We use the past perfect continuous to describe an action that started in the past and continued up to a given time in the past. حدث استمر في الماضي لفترة قبل وقوع حدث آخر. I had been studying before I watched the new movie. After I had been repairing the car for a long time, my brother told it. That means repairing the car took time in the past before my brother sold it. Let's have this exercise. After I finished my lunch, I went back to work. This is your homework for today, and this is the end of our lesson. Please write a comment if you have any question, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you next time. Goodbye.